Before you can run any application, you should be very conscious of the amount of system requirements required to run that application. This is always a consideration that you have to make whenever you are supposed to, or you're required to run a system application. If you need to run any kind of software, you need to make sure that your computer can actually support the running of that software, because the software is built with specific kind of system in mind. So you have to meet the requirements for running this system in order to be able to use it properly. If you don't have these requirements, then you won't be able to run the system, the software or the system on your computer properly. This is why the system requirements exists, and this is why it's important. This is why when you ask an engineer or an expert what kind of computer you should buy, they would ask you what is it you're going to use your computer for. This is the single and most important determinant of the choice of compute environment or compute platform you are going to choose, determined by your use case.